They say you don't always need a big engine to live a big adventure. Sometimes, all you need is heart, grit, and a motorcycle that refuses to quit. And in 2026, Suzuki has brought back one such legend, small in size, big in spirit. Yes, riders, the Suzuki DR200 has returned. After years of silence, the iconic lightweight dual sport is reborn for a new generation. Rugged, reliable, and ridiculously fun. It's the kind of bike that reminds us why we fell in love with motorcycling in the first place. Welcome to Z Auto Advisor, your home for the most exciting motorcycle stories. Stay tuned till the end, because Suzuki has hidden a surprise variant that's going to make every adventure lover grin from ear to ear. Before we talk about what's new, let's remember where it all began. The Suzuki DR series dual range, as it was known, first appeared in the early 1980s. From the mighty DR650 to the compact DR200, these machines were built to conquer trails and tarmac alike. The DR200, in particular, became a cult favorite. Lightweight, dependable, and surprisingly tough, it earned a reputation as the ultimate beginner-friendly adventure bike. It could handle city streets all week and hit forest trails on weekends without breaking a sweat. Its simple air-cooled engine and tough steel frame made it nearly indestructible. But as emissions tightened and the world moved toward heavier, high-tech machines, the DR200 quietly faded into history. Until now. Because Suzuki listened, and in 2026 they've revived the legend, blending the simplicity we loved with modern tech and 21st century refinement. Underneath its familiar silhouette lies a brand new heart. The 2026 DR200 is powered by a 1999cc single-cylinder SOHC fuel-injected engine, a modernized version of Suzuki's proven dual sport platform. It produces 21 horsepower and 19 Nm of torque, tuned for smooth, predictable power delivery across all revs. The focus here isn't speed, it's usability. The engine's lightweight design, combined with advanced fuel mapping, ensures responsive performance whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or climbing mountain paths. Suzuki's engineers have added liquid cooling for improved efficiency and longer engine life, while maintaining the bike's signature simplicity. The 5-speed gearbox has revised ratios, with a shorter first and second gear for better off-road control, and longer fifth for highway comfort. And with Suzuki's new Eco Ride mode, the DR200 now achieves a stunning 38 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient dual sports in its class. It's not about how fast you go, it's about how far you can go. The backbone of the 2026 DR200 is a new semi-double cradle steel frame, optimized for rigidity and comfort. Suzuki has carefully tuned the geometry to make it playful yet planted. At just 138 kilograms wet, the DR200 remains featherlight, making it a dream for both beginners and veterans. The wheelbase has been slightly extended to 400 mm for better highway stability, without compromising agility on tight trails. It's a motorcycle that gives confidence whether you're riding through busy city streets or maneuvering between rocks and roots in the forest. The low seat height of 30 mm means most riders can easily plant both feet on the ground, one of the DR's biggest advantages for new adventurers. In short, it's one of the most approachable off-roaders ever made, and now more capable than ever before. Suzuki knows that a true dual sport must handle anything you throw at it. That's why the 2026 DR200 features 37-meter long-travel telescopic front forks with 200 meters of travel, paired with a link-type monoshock rear offering 219 meters. This setup ensures comfort and control, whether you're gliding over potholes or blasting through gravel. The DR200 rides on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, wrapped in dual-purpose tires that provide excellent traction both on and off the road. These tires, co-developed with Dunlop, feature a hybrid tread pattern that balances grip and longevity. Combined with the DR's lightweight chassis, this gives riders superb confidence. You can carve corners on tarmac and climb ridges on dirt in the same ride. Stopping power comes from a 290mm front disc and 240mm rear disc, equipped with dual-channel ABS tuned specifically for dual sport riding. Suzuki's off-road ABS mode allows you to reduce rear intervention, giving riders better slide control on dirt or gravel. There's no overcomplicated electronics here, just solid, predictable braking you can trust in any condition. And thanks to the new lightweight calipers and discs, the overall braking feel is sharper and more responsive than ever before. At first glance, the 2026 DR200 looks instantly familiar, and that's intentional. Suzuki wanted to preserve the soul of the original. So, the silhouette stays true to its roots. Narrow tank, high front fender, simple bodywork, and rugged frame. But look closer, and you'll notice the modern details. The fuel tank has been reshaped to hold 12 liters, offering impressive range. All lighting is full LED, including a rally-style headlight with a distinct DR signature ring. The instrument cluster is a clean digital LCD, minimalist but informative, showing speed, gear position, range, and ambient temperature. Suzuki has even added a USB-C charging port hidden behind the handlebar for GPS and phone support. And of course, you get color options that pay homage to its past: Champion Yellow, Storm Gray, and Retro Blue-White DR Rally Edition. It's retro done right, simple, functional, and ready for dirt. Suzuki knows the DR200 isn't about flashy tech, it's about reliability, but that doesn't mean it's stuck in the past. The bike includes a traction control system, TCS, with 2 modes, standard for daily use and off-road for looser terrain. You also get switchable ABS, a side stand engine cutoff, and low-maintenance LED indicators. The ECU has adaptive fueling that automatically adjusts to altitude and temperature changes, perfect for adventure touring. And the battery, compact lithium-ion unit, lighter and more durable than ever. No unnecessary tech, just the right amount of innovation to make every ride smoother, safer, and simpler. So, what's it like to ride? In one word, liberating. Fire up the single cylinder, and you're greeted with that familiar thump, quiet but full of character. Twist the throttle, and the bike surges forward eagerly but never feels intimidating. It's smooth, linear, and friendly, perfect for both first-time riders and seasoned explorers. The handling is intuitive, with excellent balance thanks to the low weight and well-tuned suspension. Whether you're dodging traffic in the city, gliding through country roads, or carving through mountain trails, the DR200 feels composed and joyful. It's the kind of motorcycle that turns every ride into an adventure. The 2026 DR200 is designed for real-world riders. The seat is wide and supportive. The fuel economy is outstanding, and maintenance is a breeze. Suzuki offers a range of accessories, including a rear luggage rack, engine guard, hand guards, and soft pannier mounts for touring. There's also a utility package with upgraded tires, skid plate, and extended front fender for riders who want to push it even further off-road. It's simple, affordable, and endlessly versatile. And now, the surprise Suzuki teased during its global reveal, the DR200 Adventure X Edition. This limited variant comes equipped with a windscreen, handguards, crash protection bars, USB dual charger, and an exclusive matte desert tan color scheme. It's aimed at riders who want a small dual sport that's ready for big adventures right out of the box. Only a few thousand units will be made worldwide, and it's already generating buzz among lightweight ADV enthusiasts. In a motorcycle world full of massive, heavy adventure bikes, the 2026 Suzuki DR200 is a breath of fresh air. It's not about bragging rights. It's about balance, simplicity, and freedom. It's a machine that makes you smile every time you ride it. A bike that takes you back to when motorcycling was about exploring, not impressing. The DR200 doesn't need to be loud or flashy. It just needs to do what it's always done best: take you anywhere, and bring you back with a story. This is Z Auto Advisor, reminding you, sometimes the smallest bikes make the biggest adventures.